Chapter 4. More about keyboard. Core competency, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, finger placement. A keyboard is the main input device for data and instructions. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Let's understand the functions of the keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. With the help of alphabet keys, we type letters, words, and sentences. Number keys. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. These are used to type digits and numbers. These keys are also called numeric keys. One set of number keys are present above the alphabet keys. These can be pressed directly to type numbers. The second set of number keys are present on the right side of the keyboard. These are called the number keypad. These can be used to type numbers. After turning the numlock key on. Special keys. Special keys are used to perform different functions. The functions of special keys are given below. Spacebar. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to insert a blank space between words. Enter key. It is used to place the cursor on the next line while typing or to confirm a command to the computer. A keyboard has two enter keys. Backspace key. It is used to erase the character to the left of the cursor. Delete key. It is used to erase the character to the right of the cursor. Caps lock key. This key is present on the left side of the keyboard. It can be turned on or off by pressing it. This is indicated by a small light on the right side of the keyboard or on the caps lock key itself. When turned on, it is used to type alphabets in capital letters, uppercase. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys. They move the cursor in up, filter down, left and right directions. Shift key. This key is used to perform different functions in combination with other keys. We can type capital letters by pressing Shift key and alphabet key together. The Shift key is also kept pressed to type special characters indicated on the top of some keys. There are 2 Shift keys present on the keyboard. Symbol special character keys. There are many symbol keys on the keyboard. These are used to type symbols and special characters printed on them. To type the symbol printed on the lower part, press the key. To type the symbol printed on the upper part, keep the Shift key pressed as you press the key. Eureka moment. There are 2 sets of Control, Alt, Shift and Enter keys on the keyboard. Home key. It is used to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. Keyboard is an input device. Home keyboard is an input device. End key. It is used to move the cursor to the end of a line. Keyboard is an input device. End keyboard is an input device. Page up and down keys. These keys are used to scroll up and down the contents of the computer screen. The page up key shifts the contents of the screen up, while the page down key shifts the contents of the screen down. Eureka moment. Combination of different keys with Control, Shift or Alt keys are used to perform specific tasks in different programs. For example, the key combination Ctrl+C used to save the contents of a file. Finger placement. Let's learn how to place our hands on the keyboard to help us type faster and better. Your left hand fingers should be placed over the A, S, D, and F keys. The right hand fingers should be placed over the J, K, L, and keys. Your thumb should either be in the air or very lightly touching the spacebar key. This position helps you reach all the alphabet keys easily and type faster. Digital well-being. Typing on the keyboard for long periods can cause pain in fingers. Try this exercise to help relieve pain and to improve range of motion in the fingers. 1. Place your hand palm down on a table. 2. Gently flatten your fingers on the surface of the table. 3. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and then release. 4. Repeat at least 4 times with each hand. Info Vault. Keyboards we use are known as Curie keyboards. Curie refers to the first 6 letters on first row of the alphabet keys. Curie was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes. Quick rundown. The alphabet keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. The number keys are used to type digits and numbers. Special keys perform different functions. Correct placement of fingers on the keyboard helps us type faster.